KTT Extra Large Tent 12-Person Style B. Family Cabin Tents, 2 rooms, straight wall, 3 doors and 3 windows with mesh, waterproof, double layer, big tent for outdoor, picnic, camping, family, friends gathering. Hi. Welcome my friends. Waterproof Oxford polyester. Imported. This is not an automatic pop-up tent that need to be built by hand, suitable for customers who are good at hands-on ability, folding support rod, small package volume, easy to carry and storage for self-drive travel. But please install carefully according to the installation drawings and instructions. Be sure to fix the stakes and wind rope step by step. It will be more stable than automatic tent. Please do not choose this tent if you want to build quickly in 60s. Large space inside dimension 14. 1 foot length 10 feet width 6.58 feet height. Fit 4 full air mattresses 6.7 feet 5 feet / 200 centimeters 150 centimeters. Can accommodate 10-12 person. 3 doors with mesh, 3 windows with mesh, divided into 2 rooms by separation curtain. Materials: waterproof Oxford polyester, high density mesh. Unique design, straight wall design, interior space is larger and more comfortable. If the door curtain supports by 2 poles, it becomes a sunshade canopy. The top of the tent is high density mesh, very breathable. We can enjoy the beautiful scenery of the sky when lying inside. KTT camping tent not only focus on the quality, but also pay attention to its practicality. We had 2 poles for the door curtain. It can immediately become an awning tent. Family members can take a rest inside, also can play outside under the awning. Although it raises the cost, it brings you pleasure. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.